Hello friends, so now we are discussing some poetic devices used in this poem Road Not Taken. So in first we will discuss some poetic devices, that is simile, personification, metaphor, alliteration, repetition, refrain, and now two more if you know, they are anaphora and onomatopoeia. Anaphora is just when the first letters or first word of 2-3 lines are same and they are like in continuity. And anaphora is like it's a sound of something that is used in the poem. Like when we do our next poem in our next videos, so in that anaphora must be used because anaphora कहीं ना कहीं तो use होएगा ही. So now this road not taken में poetic devices हैं. In first paragraph, as you will see in first paragraph, in second, third and fourth line, there is anaphora. Like you can say that anaphora of and if we will look at the fourth line, it is as far as its simile is used. like मैं कितना से कितना दूर, मैं जितना दूर देख सकता था मैंने उतना दूर देखा. So that is as far as simile use हुई है. So in second paragraph, the first line, it's alliteration of TTT, then here simile is also used, just as fair. And if you will see in the third line, it was wanted weird, WW की alliteration. And if now you will see in this fourth line, that is there is alliteration of T, that is though, that, the, there, and of again T in another line, alliteration only. So the main, or it was same only in this whole paragraph, that is alliteration only. Now third paragraph and both in this third line, in this paragraph of third line में first for again alliteration, yet knowing how way leads on to way. Now here it's repetition and alliteration both. And अगर आपको एक फैक्ट याद हो या आप देख लो कि जहाँ पे भी repetition होती है वहाँ पे alliteration ज़रूर होता है. जैसे कि वे है, WW, तो इसमें वे पूरा वर्ड सेम है तो रेपिटेशन तो होएगी. WW में एलिट्रेशन भी है, तो जहाँ पे रेपिटेशन होगी वहाँ एलिट्रेशन होगी, लेकिन ये ज़रूरी नहीं है जहाँ एलिट्रेशन हो वहाँ रेपिटेशन भी हो. तो ये एक फैक्ट है. नाउ आई डाउटेड इफ़ आई, इसमें आई का रेपिटेशन भी है, मतलब आई और आई का रेपिटेशन भी है, पूरा प्रॉपर वर्ड है आई डाउटेड इफ़ आई. और नॉर्मल अल्फ़ाबेट आई का भी एलिट्रेशन है, आई इफ़ आई. नाउ वी विल बी कमिंग ऑन अ फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. आई एम सॉरी, हाँ यस, द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. I shall tell this with a sigh. There is alliteration in two sense, like S का भी alliteration हो रहा है और T का भी, telling this में भी alliteration हो रहा है. Ages and ages hence, इसमें repetition और alliteration दोनों हो रहे हैं. ए का alliteration, ए का alliteration, ages and ages का, और repetition हो रही है सिर्फ ages और ages दोनों words की. Now in third line it is also alliteration of a and in the fourth line took the traveled, इसमें alliteration हो रही है tt की, और fifth line में and that has made all the difference में tt की alliteration हो रही है. So now our poem is finished and it was wrote by Robert Frost. So our poem is now finished and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment how you like this video, and अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो कमेंट्स में बता देना.